Hello.
Yep. Hi.
Yeah. Now, how
Hello.
do I record it? I said start broadcast. Yeah.
Yes, you share your screen and then you start broadcast. Then it will start record.
Okay. Screen share, entire screen. Okay. I already started the broadcast. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So it means that it's starting to record already lah. So
Yeah.
now what you need to do is just to go into this SQL developer.
SQL Server Management Studio. This one.
No, SQL developer because their database is actually an Oracle database.
Oh. Okay. 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 Okay.
Wait, I thought you have it at the bottom. Is not SQL developer.
SQL. I had it. Yeah. Let me see. SQL Server SQL Developer. No, I think I have it in the desktop. Let me see. I have it. Yeah. SQL Developer. Yeah. Can you see
Yeah.
my screen? Yeah.
I can. That's what I'm trying to say. At the bottom on your what the taskbar, right? I can
Oh,
already
yeah,
see
yeah,
your
yeah, yeah,
SQL.
yeah, 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 yeah. I have it,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, this one, yeah.
Okay, maybe you need to actually take the GMIW data. I mean information.
GMIW, okay, okay. Now I should establish the connection.
Yes, you can add a new connection, but you need the detail which is found in the phase 2 requirement worksheet.
Yes, let me go there. Yeah, but first I need the login. The logins are all in
In the worksheet.
the phase two worksheet.
It's in the phase 2 worksheet. I shared that the other
Okay,
time.
I'm opening it. Yeah, yeah. IBM. Where is PCRB phase two?
Okay, CRB and PCN, right?
Oh, yeah, this one. Okay, okay. Phase two requirement. Phase two GMIW. This one.
No, GMIW is a worksheet that we provide all the data.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Can you see the screen?
Yes, you can scroll
Yeah.
down. There should be one item called GMIW if I'm not wrong. Scroll all the way down. It's not on top one. It's at the last two item.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, there you see the
These two, right?
TNS. You
Yeah.
have the
GMI.
entry, ID, IP address, the service name, and then the credential will be the GMIW underscore read.
Underscore. Oh, yeah, this one.
It has a user ID, then the next line is the password. So
Oh,
you
read
copy,
is the
no,
user ID.
you copy everything
Yeah.
into a notepad because you don't want to move in and out. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you go because a notepad you can put side by side be with the
Yeah.
SQL developer.
Yeah.
Then you go to SQL developer. Yeah, put the notepad side by side. Then you will be able to enter the connection name, etc. Right?
Yeah.
So connection name you may want to
Your
call
name.
it GMIW lah. Hello. Hello. I can't hear you already. For your info. Hello. Hello.
Uh,
Oh, yeah, back. I can't hear you just now.
yeah,
Okay, you
okay.
see?
Yeah, I tested it. It's not connecting.
No, because your host name you never change, right?
Oh, sorry.
You need the IP address, you need the port. That's why I asked you
I,
to, yeah.
yeah. IP address is port is 1521. Mm, what's the IP address?
Host lah,
Host
your
name
host
is
will be,
this.
yeah, that will be your IP. From host name,
Yeah,
you should be able to
yeah.
tell the IP
This
address.
one.
So you can just use the host name.
Yeah,
Yeah, use it lah.
yeah. This one, like Fate R. This one, WTO.
Yes, correct. Just copy and paste to the host name.
Yeah,
Port
and the
number
port is
is
for
1521.
1521. Yeah,
Copy the service name here.
and it's
Copy the service name.
service name. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the SID, right?
You just copy
That
first.
is the okay, service name. Okay, service name. Yeah.
Then your
Okay.
port number is
Yeah.
1521 you did, ah? Okay. Then you test, ah.
Yeah. 15 test. Yeah.
Seems like your connection is very slow, ah.
Yeah. My home connection is not very fast.
Ah,
From January, there no failure.
what is a failure? I cannot see actually.
Yeah, it's like network adapter could not establish the connection.
Okay,
Uh,
what you can do is you just save this configuration first. Can save?
save.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. So next
Yeah.
time, when Audi wants you to actually extract again, right? Then maybe if
Yeah.
in the office, then it's easier, right? I guess now maybe in your home or what lah.
Right.
So what you
Yeah.
need to do
Maybe.
is you look back at the phase two item. In the phase two item, you will have those information to connect to GMIW. Okay,
Right. Right.
from that worksheet, you will have the host name, port number, service name.
Right.
You have the
Right.
credential as well.
Right. Right.
Eh, yeah, yeah. Okay. So next time round, you can. No, I think maybe it's your problem with your home network or what lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what I will do is I will share my screen. Huh?
Okay. I'll stop sharing.
Yeah, that's right.
Stop sharing. Okay.
Okay, you see my screen now?
Yeah.
You see my screen?
I can see your screen. Yeah.
So what she wants is all this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so again, I just copy into Notepad first, so that I can do it side by side. Okay, this is what she wants. Okay, now this is the one that I already connected lah.
Mm-hmm.
Just expand it a bit. So what I did is, can you see the screen clearly?
I see the screen clearly. Yeah. Yeah. Make it a
Oh,
bit larger. Yeah.
no, a
The
bit
last.
larger
Yeah.
is your side. No, I can't.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Let me see.
okay, just
Yeah.
share
It's
this.
it's, it's
Maybe.
I can. Yeah. I now it's big. Yeah.
Yeah, just give me a while. I think it takes some time to see the property. Alamak, so long one.
No, I can see
Well,
your screens now.
no, I want to show you the property so that you can then capture
Okay.
this
Okay.
screen next time. Whether the connection is problem or not, you should follow this
Okay.
connection. but this will
Okay.
take a while. So well is
Okay, you are, yeah, okay. You are
something
showing me the
that
problem. Okay, okay. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
well it is coming up. Let us take a look at this one. Okay, this
Mm-hmm.
is the one, the link that is provided by, I think, the James or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
This will contain the select statement.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, okay. This
Okay.
contains, okay.
So the select statement that I use to extract the data for Audi is actually at the
Mm-hmm.
bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
Wait, I think Google Drive is a bit slow. Oh, this seems to be up already, is it? Ah, there you are. Can you capture the screen?
Hmm.
This is how I configure lah.
Okay.
Okay, so the
Oh, I
password
also
again is,
configure it.
yeah,
Yeah, it's the
just
same.
same same. Then
Yeah.
that means it's
Yeah.
really your problem
Yeah,
in
my
your network
connection.
already.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my connection. Let me
Okay, so
save it in
from
a file. My file.
this part, I extract the last select statement. So I copy this.
Uh, just 1 minute. Running notes. I'll save this. First I'll save this configuration. Let me save this. Okay. Just 1 minute. Running notes. Yeah.
When you are done, you tell me.
Yeah. I'm just copying. Okay. I maintain a worksheet where I put everything together. Yeah. I done it. Yeah.
Okay, so I actually
Yeah.
copy this particular select statement and I go
Okay.
to the connection that I have. Okay,
Okay.
this
What are the
last,
other select statements for?
you can
What
ignore
are the
the
other
other.
statements?
I think the last meeting that I
Okay.
have with Audi, etc., right? We are ignoring the last, ignoring
Yeah.
others. We are only selecting the last statement.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, so what happened
Okay.
here is the statement that they give us, right, doesn't have a
Mm-hmm.
PN, which is part number. I just added part number
Mm-hmm.
here.
Okay.
If
Okay.
you compare, right, the select statement start with
Yeah.
equipment and there's
Yeah.
no PN.
Right.
But
Right. There's
because
no
Audi
part
wants
number.
PN, so I added PN here and then I also added
Yeah.
a group by PN here.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
let's go back to Audi's.
Yeah.
Okay, so Audi wanted machine
Mm.
recipe. Machine recipe. So let's see machine recipe. What is the field name? Machine recipe. Okay, which is this one, this field. Wanted to see machine recipe with this value. So now let's see. Machine recipe data. Oh, sorry. Let me just run once and run one example and see what is machine recipe first. Don't have. Cannot be what? How come? That day when I run, it was there. What? Okay, wait. Let's see. Part number is this. Okay, we go here. Correct. How come it
Where
fetch
did you get the
zero
part
local?
number?
No, this is the
Where did you
select
get the part
statement.
number?
This is the select statement given. I
Okay.
just change it. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me
Okay. You
see
no.
whether
Where
there's
did you
any.
get this number from? Where did you get this number from? I didn't. This part number from?
No.
I missed
This
that.
statement had
Oh,
part
okay.
number,
Okay. Part number.
right?
Okay. 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 Okay.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah. I missed that. Yeah. I was at that
Yeah,
time
how
typing.
come there's no data? Strange. Just give me a while. Somehow now there's no data.
Hmm.
Huh? That is very strange. Before the call, I
Hmm.
actually prepared this and I was getting data, but now I'm not getting data. Why? There's no data at all.
Yeah.
Strange. Okay, let's remove whatever I added.
Mm-hmm.
It's a statement issue. I don't think it's a statement issue because it doesn't tell. Yeah, there's no data in here. Why? Just give me a while. I don't understand why. Are they loading data? That's why it refresh or what? No, let's create another one. Oh my gosh. Hey, hello.
What is the second? Oh, you're connecting the okay. Okay.
I want to
The
see whether
second one.
is
Okay.
it because of different database or
Yeah,
what.
yeah, 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 yeah. You're connecting the second connection. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Dum, 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 dum. Okay, so this is the one, and now I will use this password to connect. Okay, so now I'm connected. Let's try again. So I'm using the last statement without any change to see whether there's any data. Okay. There's no data now. I don't know what to do.
No data.
Yeah. I should have saved it just now then. How? I don't know what to do, no? But anyway, what Audie is saying, right? She wants this value. So in other words, you need to extract the value.
Okay.
Machine recipe. Because she's saying machine recipe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she wanted something like that. And because you need to show PN.
Okay.
PN. So I'm
PN.
at the PN.
PN.
Huh?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay. Then I will run one time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Done now. So that's why you don't
There's
see
no
anything.
data.
Lah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't understand why there's no data now. Okay, then the next one she wanted
Is
is
logical recipe.
logical recipe, which is this one.
Yeah.
Logical
Yeah.
recipe field, right? So I will do that.
Yeah.
And I will remove this command and I
Mm-hmm.
will run it. So,
Hmm.
yeah, but because
Yeah.
now there's no data, then next she wanted operation. Let me copy everything. Huh? So
Hmm.
she wanted operation. So again, operation equals to this. Ding, 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 ding. Then let's not talk
Hmm.
about first, you just operation first, and you run. Okay, you extract this
Hmm.
value, right? Then you just put into this sheet lah.
Yeah.
This is same route. Then you should. Oh, I already have this SQL here as well. So that means you just copy this SQL and make the necessary changes on the where condition.
Yeah.
Statement I already have the PN here,
Mm-hmm.
and then wait, why like that now? Okay, so you can see that. So what I will do is I will also try to put all the condition there, and then I put a comment. So you see, when I put dash dash, right, it's commented.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe you run it during your day tomorrow lah. No, but no matter what, later on I will try and see whether there's data. If there's no data, then I have no choice but to wait for let you run. If there is data, I will just extract the data and put it over here. Okay, then I will say same machine recipe.
Yeah.
Okay, there is a few things that she wants, like same logical recipe. So okay, same logical recipe, and then same operation operam. So I will just copy all this there. Okay.
Okay. That's the SQL. Yeah.
So I will just put into the SQL here lah. Oops.
Yeah.
Give me a while. Okay. Okay, that's what you need to do lah. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
just remove the dash dash. If you say you want same machine recipe,
Yeah.
then you will remove it and comment the others.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I can get the data later, I will put all this information here for Audi, and then I will send out the email lah. If I cannot, then I will drop you an email saying that I still couldn't find any record there.
Okay.
Then I will need
Okay.
your
And if
help
I
during your
still,
day hour.
yeah. If I still couldn't get the data, then what happens?
I think then you have to go back to James. Wait, let's look back
Okay.
at this. Eh? Let's go and take a look at all these email because Audi is the one who forward this. Audi, GMIW, 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 GMI. There you are. See that? Okay. So if you still cannot see, right, then I guess we have to ask James. I mean, I couldn't get any data from when onwards. Okay, so.
Okay. James Zine. Let me copy his name.
Yeah. So now this one can't do anything already.
Yeah. James Zine. He's in US.
Yeah, it's from Malta one. That's why I couldn't communicate with them.
Okay.
Because whenever my days start, their days end.
Yeah.
My days end,
Okay.
their days start.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this one is set, right? I will close it.
Yeah. 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 And tell me one thing, Line. Now we have recorded this session. How do I save this recording?
Later. We haven't finished, right?
Okay. I'm saying
Ah,
just wanted to know. Yeah.
no. Later I will show you because
Okay. Okay.
once you are done, then you will see a video in your YouTube.
Okay.
Okay. Ah.
Okay.
So that is for PCRB. Okay. What else do you want to know? Okay, PCRB
I
flow.
Yeah, if you could take me through the entire flow, that would be good.
I
We
will
can
not.
do like Medgate is not important. Medgate is not important. We can even do later after you're back in the new year. So just show me the entire like the PCRV flow. What are the fields?
My
Those part.
a few. I think I already show you that day that what is different
Yeah,
between the new fab, right?
yeah. That you showed. Like just give me a brief overview. I think that is fine.
I will not create the PCRB. Okay,
Okay,
I will
okay,
draft out the flow, the high level flow. Okay, so
okay.
normally
Yeah,
requester or the originator will come in
yeah.
and create a PCRB.
Can they be both the
Okay.
same? Like requester can be an originator.
Yeah, whenever someone say requester is actually the originator. So
Okay,
this term is actually being used, but in the system itself we call it originator. But normally when we
okay,
speak, right, we don't speak originator. We just say that
okay,
it's a requester that create the
okay,
PCRB. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So what I think we want to make sure that we have the different roles that we need to know in PCRB.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So let's not do anything first. You have requester or originator. You have the
yep,
facilitator.
yeah.
You have
Facilitator
the
does
admin.
what?
Wait. We list down whatever we have first, okay?
Okay, okay.
Whatever I think in the PCRB you will need, okay? You have customer
Mm-hmm.
engineer. Okay, you have
Hmm.
customer. Okay.
Hmm.
Then because when you are doing a PCRB, you will go for board meeting, etc. Right? So there are stakeholders. So stakeholders.
Hmm.
They are PIYE. But they are not acting on the PCRB directly lah. Huh? So you just take note of this different role
Hmm.
there, okay? So now
What is PIYE?
process integration, I think, something like that. That is a short form of yeah.
Yeah,
YE is I also don't know.
I
It's
think
actually
yield engineering. I think yield.
I don't know
Yeah,
whether
I
it's
think it's
correct or not.
yield engineering.
I don't know whether it's correct
Yeah,
or
I
not.
think
That's
it's
what I want
yield
to say.
engineering.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Raise the
Request.
PCRB.
Yeah.
Then originator will submit.
Hmm. Hmm.
Originator can also update PCRB data and load presentation data.
Hmm.
Because you want to
Okay.
go for the board meeting, you need the presentation, right? So that's why you have to load the
Right.
presentation data.
Right.
Then at certain stage, uh, submit for FMFG. Okay,
FMFG.
it's a
What is
stage.
FMFG?
Wait, let me just list down whatever we have first. Then
Okay, 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 okay.
originator, then facilitator. Okay, facilitator will come in, approve to open, approve to CMFG, approve for FMFG. Facilitator can also approve for FMFG, update customer tracking table,
Okay.
then notify CE. approve implementation. Close PCRB. Okay, over here, the originator can implement the PCRB. And facilitator quite a super role lah. Okay, super role where can update the PCRB data also. A higher role than a requester and originator lah. Then we have a CE, okay, customer engineer. Okay, what is customer engineer? It means the person who will talk directly and support the customer, right? So in other words, whenever a PCRB require customer interaction, right, CE will be in the picture. It's not the facilitator that will talk to the customer. It's actually the CE.
Right.
So CE, what CE does is CE will send to customer. CE will approve or reject on behalf of customer. CE can also extend approval. Extend what? Extend customer approval. Okay. Okay. So this is the overall role, the important role that we have lah. Okay. Then for customer is just to view his own PCRB. Customer can approve or reject PCRB in split or CMFG or FMFG stage. Okay. What else? That's it. And then for the new fab, customer can also acknowledge PCRB that was sent out. Okay, those old fab, right? They don't have this function of acknowledge. Okay, only the SDA fab has acknowledge. Okay, then admin. What is admin? Admin is set up keywords or keywords. Yeah, and also sometimes update PCRB. Okay. Now let's just go back to this phase one. Because over here I do extract some existing logic for them. That's why I want to bring it out. These are all coming from business. Business prepare this, so I will not touch this. Okay, this is the only thing, and this actually something that I tell them what is possible to maintain by the admin or fab facilitator. Okay. So you can just go through this. What is the access right for the fab facilitator?
What is this screen that is possible to maintain by fab means? What is the meaning of this?
You see there are certain role, right? When you say facilitator, it's actually fab facilitator. Yeah. So certain, I say admin, it can update everything. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And update certain field in PCRB. But what exactly is that field? Then I cannot actually tell you because it, it is not documented down anywhere. And as and when I I assess the system as an admin, if I able to edit that field, means that it's open up for admin. But I don't think it is spelled out clearly in any document at all.
Okay.
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 Then this is Fab Facilitator, right? So now what's the difference between the Fab Facilitator of the old Fab? Old Fab means what? Fab 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are original old Fab. The new SDA Fab are Fab 9, Fab 9, 10, Post Fab, Glass House.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So for this role, right? For OFAB, right? The facilitator is maintained.
Mm-hmm.
OFAB facilitator is maintained by FAB. Okay. But for new FAB, yeah, new SDA FAB, better just put there. Facilitator is maintained by FAB by request type. Okay.
Okay.
Later I will go to the screen, then you will understand more. But then
Yeah.
because you want me to actually try and give an overview, then that's what I'm going to try and
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
It
Mm.
may be easier to see the whole
Yeah.
picture.
Yeah.
Lah. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
in CR we have something called class 1, class 2, and class 3. Okay, so these are CR
Mm.
classification.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, class 1, class 2, mostly you need customer. That means if class 1 change, you may require customer approval, or you may require to notify customer. Class
Yeah.
2 change, same thing. I think most of the class 1 is to get approval from customer. Class 2 maybe is for
Okay.
notification. Yeah. Then class
Okay.
3, not. Class 3 normally you don't need to notify customer, or you don't need to
Mm-hmm.
get approval by customer. Okay. But however, our
Okay.
system
Okay.
allow you to get approval if needed for class 3.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
So now let's see. For cases, PCRB require customer approval. Okay, so the workflow is like
Mm-hmm.
this.
Mm-hmm.
Requester or
Mm-hmm.
originator raise PCRB. Okay, then requester sub.
Mm.
Okay, I would name this as R lah. If not,
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I have to
Short form. Yeah. Yeah. Shorten form. Yeah.
R raise the PCRB. R
Yeah.
submit the PCRB.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then this one will be FF facilitator.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, FF approve to open the PCRB.
Yeah.
Can be like that.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, then again FF approve or reject, or reject to CMFG, I think. Okay, then
What
after
is
which
CMFG? What is CMFG?
I don't actually know the full form of it.
Okay. But
But what we can
what
do
is it?
is we can, no, it's a stage in PCRB. I know full, F means full manufacturing. C,
Okay.
I don't know the full term lah. What we
Okay.
can do would be to go back to this SDA file, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, I go back to logistic for what? To quality.
Mm-hmm.
This one. It, it may have the information here. Let's see.
Okay.
See, open
Okay.
face. It also did not give me a full download. I'm not too sure whether you know the facilitator in Fab 8. If you know the facilitator from Fab 8, maybe you can ask them. Then they may be able to explain to you clearly CMFG means what, FMFG means
Okay.
what.
Okay.
Okay.
John O, I think. John O. Yeah, I can ask John O.
I don't John O doesn't support PCRB at all. John O
Okay,
is
then
for
PC.
iKids, so it shouldn't be him.
Oh, the IKS MRB. Okay, then PCRB.
Ah,
I know the reporting guys, but
previously was Jackie, but now I
Jackie,
think
Jackie. Yeah, yeah.
Jackie has changed role already, right? So it may not be Jackie that you will approach.
Oh, yeah. It's. I think it's some other lady who is there. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
but it
find
didn't.
out. I
I think in we can also try to search this in using the enterprise search.
yeah.
In IE, we try and see within our company, we find out what is FMFG. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's see what is this. Yeah, but it doesn't tell much actually. Oh, there. Full manufacturing release. Conditional
Yeah.
manufacturing.
Okay. Which document did you find out? This is very important. Conditional manufacturing changes.
Assisting PCRB document. Is in phase one.
The QX. Okay. Okay. I'll make a note of it. Yeah.
Let me
Yeah.
see
This
whether
has all
this
the
is.
technical terms. Yeah.
Yeah, there should be a split also. Because currently we have split, but I don't think split is spelled out here lah.
Okay.
So this may be a good document to
Yeah.
just read
Yeah.
through
Yeah.
lah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
there you see, these are the thing that I'm trying to explain over here.
Yeah. Right. 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 Yeah.
Oh, so now
But
I'm talking about.
yeah. Yeah. Go ahead with what you were explaining. Yeah.
Okay, so when you have already the CI has already been approved for FMFG, yeah. So only
Yeah.
when approved, then it will go to next stage. Approved, it will go to next stage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If it's reject, it
Yeah.
will stay at reject until the
Yeah.
FAB facilitator approve.
Yeah.
Okay. The workflow currently here,
Yeah.
right? When you reject to open, it doesn't mean that it will reject back to the requester or whatever. Okay, because requester can
Mm-hmm.
update the PCRB anytime, but
Mm-hmm.
depending on what
Mm-hmm.
field. Okay, but to approve, right, is still the facilitator. So when facilitator has reject to open before, right, then it will sit in facilitator
Mm-hmm.
inbox, pending for him to
Okay.
reapprove it. Okay, so whenever you
Okay.
approve, then only it will go to next stage. If you don't approve, it will
Yeah.
stay there.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now I'm
Right.
I'm assuming that is approved for CMFG. So what will happen is R will submit for FMFG.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then it will uh, require FF to approve or reject. Again, if reject means it sit there. Approve means it's go to the next stage. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will go to FF to sorry, forgot the status. Just give me a while. Pcrb. Oh, shucks. Okay, let's go to the keywords. What I'm trying to explain is actually here lah. Okay, so you see when the person raised, right? I go to the status, status of above.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, when you raise the Pcrb, it's actually in progress. Okay, when you submit
Okay.
the Pcrb, then it's pending approval.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now when FF approved, right, to open, then it will be approved. The status of the Pcrb will be this. If it
Mm-hmm.
reject, means rejected to open.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, then again it sit there. If it's rejected, then it will sit down there. Okay, until the facilitator come in and approves it. If the facilitator come in and approves it, right, then it will be
Mm-hmm.
approved for CMFG. If reject, then it will be rejected to CMFG. Okay,
Okay.
understand? So at when requested submit for FMFG, then it will be pending. And over here, what happened will be the status will be, if the facilitator approve, right, it will be pending customer checking a confirmation. If reject, it's too small. If reject, then it will be rejected to FMFG. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then at this stage of pending customer checking, right?
Yeah.
That is where facilitator can send to notified. Facilitator notified CE lah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
At this stage, when you send to CE, right, to notify, right? Notify CE,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Notify CE. So the status of the CR will be pending CE to
Pending CE.
notify
Okay.
customer, because I
Okay.
already sent to customer ma.
Yeah.
Sent to
Yeah. Yeah.
CE. So it's pending for
Yeah.
CE. So this status will be
Yeah.
pending CE to notify customer. Okay, then
Yeah. Yeah.
next.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So when after that, right, CE send to customer. There's an action
Mm-hmm.
sent to customer. Then it
Yeah.
will be pending customer
Customer.
action. Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
because one CR may affect multiple customer and you may require
Uh-huh.
multiple customer approval. Okay.
Yeah.
So some customer come in and approve, or some customer
Okay.
reject. Okay. Okay. So it
Mm-hmm.
will be CE or customer, because CE can play the customer role actually to approve or reject.
Right.
For some of the customer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That then this CR will be partial customer approval.
Okay.
Become customer, yeah. Because some of them approve, some of them may not approve, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what happened here is when some of them rejected, then it will then be staying and at this status.
Yeah.
If
Right.
all approve, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
over here, I will just put if all customer, no, if CE or no, if all customer approve, yeah, Pcrb will auto approve for implementation. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If any any of the customer reject,
Mm-hmm.
we will stay in partial customer approval. Okay,
Okay.
this is what happened. I need to break this down instead of directly continue, is because okay, why don't I do that? If customer and all customer approve, yeah, we do that. We break it down further lah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. One is like of
For
all,
all,
if any of the customers. Okay.
customer,
Mm-hmm.
So if that's the case, right? The first
Yeah. Then
customer
it
when
is
come in
partial.
approve, right? Sorry, yeah. When first
Yeah.
ignore this one first. I think it's a bit difficult to explain. So when the first customer come in, right, to to
Mm-hmm.
to approve, right, it will become partial customer. But subsequently, if all customer approve, right, then it will auto become pending. Oops, sorry. It will then auto become pending CR implementation. Okay. So this particular stage, right?
Mm-hmm.
Customers, yeah, approve one by one it is until it is all approved. Okay,
Yeah.
pick it
For
up.
all. Okay.
Yeah.
All approve.
So
Okay.
this particular stage, right? There's two status: partial customer
Mm-hmm.
approval, pending customer,
Mm-hmm.
CI
Mm-hmm.
implementation. So over
Mm.
here, what happened here is after this, right? Then the requester will implement CR.
Mm-hmm.
Implement CR. Okay, at this
Mm-hmm.
point, when you implement CR, this action will then convert it to CR implemented
Implemented. Okay.
pending closure.
Okay.
Okay. After that, after this CI is implemented, there's some verification, etc., by the facilitator. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
after facilitator verified, etc., right? Facilitator close the CR, PCRB. And this flow become closed. So this is the
Mm.
a good scenario flow. Okay.
Mm.
Now
But
I have
yeah, tell me one thing. Like, if what happens if suppose the customer approves one but rejects a few, so it goes
yeah. So
back.
now I'm doing it. I'm separating it out so that it's clearer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, some rejected. Yeah, that scenario. Yes.
So that's what happened.
Yeah. Yeah.
So okay, then it will become here. So in other words, this CR will stay here at this stage.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's rejected. So what happened here
Yeah.
is there is a function where facilitator approve implementation.
Mm-hmm.
It's possible that way.
Yeah.
That means they can customer can reject. They can facilitator can say that okay, we can still go ahead. This customer reject, we don't implement for this customer. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, let's see who is. Okay. So what happened here is, because like I say, right, if any customer reject, it stay in that status. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why we have a function that allow the facilitator to override that reject lah.
Okay, the facilitator can
Okay.
override it. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, override by approved implementation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So when the facilitator approve implementation, right? Then it's possible
Yeah, okay. And
to
if he
go
doesn't approve
pending.
it, what happens? If it doesn't
It will
approve, what
stay.
happens?
It will just stay in that status.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, but nobody will find out why the customer rejected and like take steps to process it again.
Um, this is more like a end user business operation lah. Because our system wise, once a customer reject, right, it will stay there. We can't do anything because
Mm-hmm.
the PCRB is designed not to reroute for approval for FMFG.
Yeah,
There's no
yeah, yeah.
such thing right now. So whenever they need the system to uh, allow them to send the package again, then there will be a data patch.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is how currently it is working at, because we do not have the rerouting for FMFG.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so currently it's just via big data patch. But I guess down the road, business has to tell how should we be improving that part lah.
Mm-hmm.
It's not for IT to this has, the requirement has to come clearly from the business.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a scenario and some reject. So uh partial customer, then pending, the same thing after that. Okay. Okay, this part.
Yeah. This part is fine.
Yeah. So this is whatever that I have said that require customer involvement lah. And then
Mm-hmm.
when customer approve or reject lah. Okay. There are cases
Mm-hmm.
where, for cases that does not require customer approval,
Mm-hmm.
which is class 3 lah.
Yeah.
Does not require customer approval at all. Approval or notification. Okay. So what will happen would be same thing. Just copy whatever we have first. Okay, it will submit. We reject. Then there will be no such thing. This part will be gone.
Hmm.
Then we will copy the status. This part will be gone. Yeah, it will straight away go into pending CR implementation. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a high level flow of the PCRB.
Right. Right.
Okay.
I think I
Then
understood.
next, yeah. So then next, we talk about this part, right? Fab facilitator.
Mm-hmm.
So if you go
Mm-hmm.
into PCRB Fab configuration, okay, if you, because this is a staging,
Yeah.
for old Fab, right, you can see old Fab, your facilitator is just straight away, that's the facilitator. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But for the new Fab, these are old Fab, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then new Fab will be the last four, right? Which is Fab
Mm-hmm.
9.
Mm-hmm.
Feb 9, you can see something called request type. Feb 10, same thing. You will have another level called request type. Then only you assign the facilitator.
Yeah.
So that's why it says for STA Feb, facilitator is by request type.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
By fab. Okay. Okay.
By request type. So now
Yeah.
if
By request type.
you come back and say this, you will see that for Feb 10, right? There will be
Mm-hmm.
another field that user will key in, request type. This
Okay.
is one of the
Request
field
type.
that we introduced and enabled for the new Feb, for the SDA
Yeah.
Feb.
Yeah.
So that's why it's mandatory for the user to choose request type.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. With this request type, we will be able to tell who will act as the facilitator for this particular PCRB.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, if they don't key in this, then I will not know who is the facilitator. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so like
Okay.
for Feb 2 now, I just go to Feb 2. This is the old existing Feb. So for the old Fab, you notice that we don't have something called request type.
Request type. Yeah.
Yeah, because it is not a Fab 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 1, and 8 requirement. Okay? Hello? 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 Hello, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah. I lost the internet connection. Yeah.
I didn't know that is so bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so this part you understand, right? The request type, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then
I
I want to
understand that part.
explain.
Yeah.
I want to explain more on the customer engineer. Okay. Okay. Customer engineer. You understand what it means. Okay. So we have two type of customer engineer. It can be CE by customer by fab.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. When you say CE by customer by fab, it's actually coming from SFDC.
Okay.
Okay.
What is
CE role by
what is SFDC?
huh? Salesforce.
Okay, Salesforce.
Salesforce.com.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah,
This
yeah,
is
Salesforce. Yeah. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, Salesforce.
salesforce.com.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but we also have something called CE by Fed. This set up in PCRB.
Mm-hmm.
So why I want to bring this is because I want to just share this part. Okay, so PCRB Fab configuration. You will see one part called CE. This is the one. This is CE by Fab.
Okay.
Hello. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Then I want to open one customer for you. So every single PCRB, you will have some customer affected, right? So let's
Mm-hmm.
open one example. Oh, sorry, it's approved to open. You will not be able to see. Ending customer. Okay, for example, this one. This particular CR, now just now I did highlight about custom CR classification. Okay, this is the classification. Okay, go back here. Before I continue with the CE, let me just highlight. This is the one. Class 1, Class 2, Class 3.
Yeah.
Class 1, Class 2, Class 3. So I also highlighted that mostly Class 1 for approval, Class 2 is notification. And in the
Mm-hmm.
system, no approval or notification for Class 3. Okay,
Yeah.
so what happened here is if you say this CI is Class 3, that is a checkbox you can check here.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, if you check, that is where they will then send out approval request to the customer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in the customer tracking table, you will see, if you do that right, in the customer tracking table, you will see that to get approval.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now for this particular PCRB, is only affecting one customer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so once this customer approve, right, if this customer approve, then it will auto convert to pending
Mm-hmm.
CR implementation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let's
Mm.
go back to the CE role, because this has a short name, and this short name is actually coming from SFTC. Yeah, because
Okay.
customer are coming from SFTC, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
because we have a short name, and we know that this particular CR is for Feb 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it means that whoever is Feb 7 CE for this customer will be able to add as a customer, or as a customer to approve or reject. That's what I'm
Yeah.
trying to say. Yeah. So that customer CE is tied to this particular account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. But if you have set up someone who is a CE by Feb, meaning to say Feb 7, let's go to Feb 7. So you see for Feb 7, actually we are setting up trailing as one of the CE. Okay. So I will do that. Oh, do you remember the CR number? Shucks. Never mind. Feb 7, ending customer, right? Yes. This is the one, it's
Mm.
NSP. So what I will share now would be, let's just go into the SFTC data that we pull into GF Master. Because I'm actually connecting to staging, so I am going to staging.
Mm-hmm.
This is the Golden Gate staging. Okay, the account team, right, is actually maintained in this table, in this
Okay.
database.
Okay.
So whether you are a customer CE or not, this is the table lah. So now I want to see only account, because just now I highlighted, right? Account short name, important, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
NXPTW just now. Huh? So I come
Yeah.
here, yeah, and then I only want to see row that is customer engineer. Let's see, customer engineer. So you can see that, and we are talking about Feb 7 just now, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
7.
so I will see Feb 7. So you see, Feb 7 trailing is not, it's not Feb 7. It's not a CE for this particular customer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if I come here, this is line, but I thought I have put trailing. This is still line. Okay. They're trailing, right? So I'm going to open this NXP. I'm trying to share this part. This is the one what I did. Okay. I go into SFTC data, search for this short name, and for Feb 7, I go and search who is the CE. Okay.
Yeah.
So if trailing is not the CE, right, of the customer, right? Uh, trailing come here, trailing go to customer view. So remember this CR. Let's just copy this CR first. Okay, I go to customer view, NXP. We are talking about NSP TW, right? TW,
Yeah.
this is the one. Okay, even though trailing is not the customer CE, trailing was able to go into this task list actually. Eh? Oh, sorry. I think customer CE also, the CE by Feb cannot approve. Wait, just give me a while. Hey, there should be one customer task list. I go to the wrong one. Sorry. Task list means it's pending for the customer lah, huh? So I should be able
Yeah.
to see NXP. Let's see whether there's NXP. NXP Taiwan, you see? NXP Taiwan. This is a
Mm-hmm.
CR. Yeah. So I am trailing, but I'm only configured as a Fab CE in PCRB itself. Okay. Because I'm configured
Mm-hmm.
in PCRB, I can take this action on behalf of the customer. Okay.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
for CE role, right? The CE role that I mentioned in the workflow, right? It can be a customer CE. It can also be a Fab CE that is configured in PCRB. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ah, so now if I come here and I log in as Xavier, right? I am going to change my login as Xavier. Okay, now let's go into Fab 7. I want to just take a look at Fab 7. Fab 7, and it's pending customer. Okay, let's see this one.
Mm. Yeah.
I just want to share with you what is the difference between a customer CE, that means CE by customer by Fab, and CE by
Mm-hmm.
by Fab. So if you come in here, CR phase. Under CR phase, you will have something called customer tracking. Yeah. Okay, you notice that there's no NXP, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but this is, wait, I think someone have not a right, not a correct scenario. How should I share? How should I share? Uh, it's all NSP Taiwan. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's a bit tough to explain a bit. How should I explain? Okay, let's see. 1 3 1 3. Okay, let's see this part now. Tracking table. Okay, let's see. These are all changed to for notification only. Initially was for approval. Actually, I don't know how to share one scenario. No, but do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. I understood in the concept itself. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say here is if I Wong Lai Yin is configured as Fab 7 CE in PCRB. If this
Mm-hmm.
particular CR has, too bad that this CR only have one customer, NXP TW. It has
Yeah.
Broadcom, for example. Broadcom is another customer. Okay, but because
Mm-hmm.
I am configured as a Fab CE, but I'm not a customer CE for these two customer in SFTC. Okay, it's because I configured as Fab 7 CE in PCRB. I will be able to act as a CE for these two customer. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
on the other hand, if I'm not being configured as the CE by Fab in PCRB, that means I'm not configured in PCRB. Yeah, I'm only configured CE for NXP Fab 7. Okay, and this PCRB is affecting two customer. When I come in, because my role was just a CE by NXP TW customer for Fab 7, I can only act as a CE for NXP TW. I cannot act
Mm.
as a CE for Broadcom. That's what I tried
Okay.
wanted
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
show you, but there's no scenario that I can
Yeah.
show you.
Yeah. No, I understood the concept.
Okay. Yep. I guess now it's just too late for you, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, so
Yeah.
I
No.
will
No
just
problem.
also
Yeah. Yeah.
inside, just go back to here. There are some questions that they actually raise during the UAT, if I'm not wrong. So phase one UAT test. Because I don't have a specific document that have all this information. So as and when they request me to provide them data, right? I actually Oh, it's very slow. Okay, I also do capture some logic that they request me
Mm-hmm.
to give. Example, just now I talk about approve, reject, blah, 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 right?
Yeah.
I never talk about void. So in here, you also can see that who can do void at what status.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that
Okay.
is what I want to share. Yeah. Okay. Then I
Okay.
will also capture this little flow here into the.
Yeah, the drive. Yeah.
Okay, you can stop broadcast already because I will not be continuing, right? Because it's just too
Yeah.
late for you.
Yeah.
Then I will
Yeah.
teach you how to download the
Okay. Let me stop broadcast.